kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a colorful, easy stair. Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw the L-shaped base of the stair. Perfect! That makes the side and bottom of the stair. Now let's draw 2 curved handles on each side. And now the second handle on the other side. Wow, it's looking great already. Now let's draw the steps one by one. Start at the bottom. Draw 1 step. Draw step number 2. Step number 3.
La da 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 dee.
And finally, step number 4 at the top. Amazing! You drew all 4 steps. Nice job, everyone. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Go over the lines slowly. Beautiful! Isn't it looking awesome?
Yay!
Now it's my favorite part, coloring time. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow! So colorful and fun! Great job, artists! Your rainbow stair looks amazing! Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and keep drawing with Toddlers Art Hub. Bye, kids!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.